Here's an Android phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Let's see how to add an analog clock to the home screen. Currently, if I swipe to the left and right, I don't have any second page. So first of all, press and hold an empty area, like so, and swipe to the left and click on that plus so that a second page will be added. This one. So now I have the first page. They are marked down here. And this is the second page, so I will add the clock here to the second one. Open the Play Store and download an application. Play Store. Up here type in analog clock widget. Analog clock widget. And I used this one, simple analog clock. Tap on that one and tap on install. It's a tiny program. Okay, now 3 vertical lines and swipe up to close it. Now the clock is nowhere to be found. It has to be added as a widget. So on the second page, tap and hold. Down here we have widgets. Tap on that widgets. And here's the list of the applications. And it's simple analog clock as this one. Tap on it and choose a size. Let's say B, the second one. 2 by 2 is the size. That's 1 by 1, 3 by 3. So that's the medium size. Add. And there's the clock. Important settings. Okay. Come here to block the stop. Tap on that one. Okay. So let this application run without any interruption. Allow it. Now let's even move it to the center. Just tap and hold on it. Tap outside to deselect it. Now tap on the clock itself. Let's customize it. For example, hand thickness. I want to make it a little bit thinner. I will use the thin. Back. Now it's a little bit thinner, thus the numbers are more visible. We have 1, 2, 2 and 4. 2 is because it's August 2, so that's the date. I don't want to show the date, so tap on the clock again. And somewhere here at date settings we have show date. Uncheck that one. Back. Now it's not showing 1, 2, 2, but it's showing 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let's make the second red. Use second hand, it's enabled, but let's specify the color of that second. I want it red. Now go back, and now it's red. So that's the first page, and that's the second page with an analog clock on it. Let's make the numbers a little bit larger. Tap on it. We have here size. Let's select the fifth one. Back. And now the numbers are a little bit larger. If I select size and small, now the numbers are much smaller. So I want size large. That's it.